So wherever you are right now, just take a moment to get comfortable, whether it's sitting on your desk or lying on the floor, as long as you're comfortable. And as you sit there, just take a couple of big, deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and slowly out through the mouth. Let your body soften. As you breathe in, sense the fresh air filling your lungs. And as you breathe out, a sense of letting go of whatever has been going on lately, letting go of the heavy stuff, allowing your mind to feel light, allowing your body to relax. And continuing to breathe that way with slow, deep breaths. On your next exhale, soften your gaze and gently close your eyes. And as you sit there, take a moment to thank yourself for taking these few minutes of intentional reflection. It's important to remember that you are a priority, that you have a heart too. You deserve to rest. You deserve to slow down. So let's just repeat that pattern a few more times. Breathing in through the nose and slowly releasing it through the mouth. Focus on your breathing. Feel your lungs expand out as you inhale. Feel your belly rise and fall with each breath. And as you try to focus on your breath, you may notice some thoughts arise. Thoughts about yesterday, thoughts about tomorrow, thoughts about what you should have said to win that one argument. Thoughts are perfectly normal. In fact, we should expect thoughts. We're human. So don't try to force them out. Don't try to not have any thoughts. That never really works. Instead, what we can do is refrain from getting sucked into the content of our thoughts. Once a thought arises, we simply notice it without getting caught up in it, without taking it so seriously. Simply observing that thoughts are happening without chasing them, letting them go, letting them pass. It's easier said than done, but with enough exercise, it becomes easier to let go. Shifting our attention on the breath helps a lot. because we have less mental space for other things, for other thoughts. So, breath after breath, we allow thoughts to come and go without getting caught up in them and without judging them. Let's take a few more deep breaths together, noticing how it feels to pay attention to thoughts without clinging to them, without taking them personally. Slowly in through the nose and slowly out through the mouth. And as we approach the end of the session, just relax your attention. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing your attention back to the room. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Please subscribe and like this video to support the channel.